Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another cooking video. So today I've got special guest. I have my husband who's gonna be showing us how to make Karahi, special Karahi, Pakistani Karahi. So what name again, baby?
Butt kadai.
Bad Karai.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a bad karai. The name is so delicious. He always make here at home, and I decided, to share with you guys so you can see. If you want to try out, you can try out also yourself. As you can see here, I've got all the ingredients. It's going to tell you guys what spices it's gonna be using, the names, and the quantity of the meat and everything. Baby, you can go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is gonna be a mutton kadai. It is very nice and is very easy to make. Normally we are going out, especially for eat the lamb or chicken kadais. So now we're going to show you guys how to make, and easily you can prepare yourself at home, and you can serve to your loved ones and your families. Half kg of lamb is cut it in very small pieces, as you can see. Half cup cooking oil, 1 cup plain yogurt, half of onion, half of tomato. Here we keep some green chilies, coriander, and some sliced ginger. So now we come this side. Here we got turmeric powder is half teaspoon, salt on choice, chili half teaspoon. This we have coriander powder. This is a 1 teaspoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon, white pepper 1 teaspoon, and zira powder also 1 teaspoon. There is some garam masala half of teaspoon just for the garnish. So let's go and see how we are preparing our mutton kadai. We take pressure cooker, we put it our lamb, that half of onion, you go in here, tomato, turmeric powder, salt, chili powder, coriander powder, and zira powder. Sorry guys, we forget our main thing, ginger and garlic paste. So this one we're gonna take like 2 tablespoon. Add 1 glass of water. Mix it well, nicely. On the flame. Pressure cooker on the fire. And there we go. So we're gonna wait. So guys, 15 minutes is done. So let's open and see. So there we bring our kadai on. As you can see, there is some water still have, but that don't need to worry. It's going to dry here. We're gonna add some green chilies and little bit of coriander. and some ginger slices, white pepper, black pepper, so we're gonna wait until our water is completely dried before we add oil. Now we can see our water is almost gone. We're gonna add our oil. And cook about 10 to 12 minutes. The color, smell, guys, is so nice.
Yes, I can feel that.
So guys, now is already like 10 to 12 minutes. There's no water, no soup, nothing is left. And now we're gonna add our yogurt, the plain yogurt, 1 cup. So this yogurt is gonna make us nice thick gravy to eat with naan bread or roti. We're gonna cook another like 4 to 5 minutes.
So guys, you can say this is a special dish. It's so perfect for if you have visitors. You can take this to your, visiting your friend or any family member. He will love or she will love this dish, guys. It's so good. It's so yummy, and you can eat with the bread, as my husband said. It's so yummy. Because it doesn't come like with a too much sauce to eat with rice. But if you have like extra salads on the side, you can eat with rice as well. It's really yummy.
The good thing is not taking long. 40 to 45 minutes, your
Yeah,
lamb is ready.
It's ready. It doesn't take long at all because you use pressure cooker. It will take like an hour if you are using a normal pot, because the meat, it takes long to cook, as you all know. Yes, but if you have like a pressure cooker, it will be very easy to prepare. Yeah,
And
I think so.
Almost there.
It's have been 3 minutes already, no?
Yes.
And I can see the water which it comes with the yogurt is finished, no?
Yeah.
It's just the sauce left, and it looks so good.
Now you guys can see there's nice thick gravy on it. You can see.
Yeah, it's really thick. There's no water anymore.
No.
So you're gonna add water?
Just a little bit.
Okay. The smell is so good. So how much water you should add?
It's half cup.
It's half cup. Okay. So they can add more water, or is just no water?
It depends on your meat.
Yeah.
If quantity is double, you can.
Okay.
Or you need more sauce.
But if it's too much water, also it's not gonna be nice.
No, it's not gonna be nice anymore. So we make more slow flame and we give steam like 2 to 3 minutes. So we're gonna cover him 3 to 5 minutes.
3 to 5 minutes. It's in low flame.
So guys, we are done about steaming. It's already 5 minutes ago. Let's see Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Ooh, wow. Mashallah, mashallah. Looks so good. So now we're just garnishing our plate with some fresh coriander, some green chili, and fresh ginger.
And on the last, the pinch of garam masala.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna taste this delicious karahi. My mouth is watering already. Really nice. It tastes really nice, and the meat, it's so tender. It's like a chicken. Look at that.